this is a little bit non-traditional investing, right? So kind of almost self-directed, and we've got a couple of different real estate properties right now that we own, and I've got a self-directed IRA. So I'm kind of not unfamiliar with unconventional or non-traditional investing, and so knew that there might be an opportunity to invest in real estate outside of having to deal with tenants and taxes and maintenance and all the things that you deal with. So he piqued my interest in just that, owning a part of real estate without having to deal with all of the other things is attractive to me. The decision-making process was fairly quick. Validation that you guys were a great company and you had some experience and past performance, which was super important to measure the work that you're doing. You're partnering with some pretty important and experienced and great reputation local partners that are doing the building. So that was attractive to me. This is a great opportunity to kind of, marry those two things of passive investments, also with the beauty of real estate investments. That's a great investment opportunity.